Meet the 2026 Mazda CX-5, a stunning evolution of design, performance, and technology. Mazda has once again raised the bar for what a compact SUV can be. Today, we'll explore its exterior, interior, engine performance, and everything that makes this SUV the future of modern driving. Let's dive right in. The 2026 Mazda CX-5 embodies Mazda's latest codicil of motion design language, but taken to a whole new level. The body is sleeker, the lines are sharper, and the aerodynamics are refined to perfection. Up front, you'll notice a wider black grille with a floating Mazda emblem illuminated by a thin LED strip, giving it a futuristic, commanding presence. The LED headlights are now fully horizontal, delivering crystal-clear illumination while enhancing its modern look. From the side, the sculpted panels flow seamlessly from front to rear, emphasizing strength and motion even when standing still. The 20-inch turbine alloy wheels and flush door handles complete the minimalist yet powerful aesthetic. And at the rear, the continuous LED light bar stretches across the tailgate, a signature look that makes the CX-5 instantly recognizable at night. Step inside, and you'll find that the 2026 CX-5 feels more like a luxury lounge than an SUV. The cabin design follows Mazda's less is more philosophy. Every element is placed with purpose and precision. The dashboard is clean, dominated by a floating 14-inch infotainment display with ultra-thin bezels and a fully digital driver's cluster. The center console is wrapped in brushed aluminum, and the ambient lighting can be personalized to match your mood. Mazda uses eco-friendly Nappa leather and sustainable materials for a premium yet responsible feel. The Bose 3D surround sound system delivers concert-like audio quality, while the panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with natural light. For comfort, both front and rear passengers enjoy ventilated and heated seats, tri-zone climate control, and noise cancellation technology, creating an oasis of calm even in busy city traffic. Under the hood, the 2026 Mazda CX-5 is powered by a range of next-generation engines. The base model features a 2.5-liter Skyactiv-G turbocharged engine, producing up to 285 horsepower and 320 lb-ft of torque, paired with a smooth 8-speed automatic transmission. For those seeking electrification, Mazda also introduces a plug-in hybrid variant, combining electric efficiency with traditional Mazda driving dynamics. With up to 45 miles of pure electric range, it's perfect for both daily commutes and long adventures. Mazda's signature iActive all-wheel drive system and G-Vectoring Control Plus ensure unmatched stability and cornering precision, making every drive feel connected, confident, and thrilling. The 2026 Mazda CX-5 isn't just a refresh, it's a complete reinvention of what an SUV can be. With its futuristic design, luxurious interior, and cutting-edge performance, Mazda proves once again that driving emotion and innovation can coexist beautifully. So, what do you think of the all-new CX-5? Would you pick this over its rivals like the RAV4 or CR-V? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest automotive reviews and concept reveals. I'm CAR New Model, and this was the 2026 Mazda CX-5 where design meets destiny. See you in the next video.